You will need your kit materials, plus scissors, and I highly recommend a glue gun. Start by cutting some tulle. You can choose the length, but I like about 4 feet so that it becomes 2 feet once it's folded in half. If you're using tulle at all, put the tulle on first. Remember, tulle before jewel. Fold the tulle in half and twist about 3 or 4 inches in the center. Form what you've twisted into a loop, then thread it behind your horn and pull the loose tulle through. Secure the knot behind the horn. Cut another piece of tulle similar to the length of the first piece. Align the ends, find the middle of the piece, and this time tie a slip knot, which is basically a regular knot, except for you don't pull the string out, you just leave that little loop right there. Position your fingers inside so you're ready to grab the other piece of tulle. Pull the piece of tulle already on the headband through the slip knot. Slip knots are tightened by pulling on the strands. So pull the strands one at a time, and it will tighten on itself. Repeat this step with other colors of tulle until it looks as full as you want it to look. Add tulle to the other side in the same way. Lay the headband with the tulle out of the way. Get out your flowers. You could glue the whole bouquet on, but I like to cut mine apart and place them by hand. You can use the adhesive tape to kind of test drive a design by temporarily adhering the flowers. When you've decided on the flowers' final placement, use a glue gun to put them in place. Lastly, tie ribbon onto the tulle on the back. I like to do the ribbon last rather than doing it right after the tulle because the ribbon can get a little bit crushed while you're working on the rest of the project. Tie the ribbon in a knot around an individual piece of tulle. Then curl the ends. Add as much as you'd like. Time to wear your horn!